Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex market analysis. For today I decided to cover euro dollar versus US dollar, Bitcoin, dollar index, and I will speak about gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. This is something that I alerted yesterday and a couple of days ago, potential for the downside continuation. This is exactly what is happening. So we had actually a breakout of the key pivot support at 1.0800 and the close near the low yesterday, and the downside momentum. You can see here how well those declining moving averages are working like resistance. So there is a chance for a further downside movement towards the weekly lows from my view. So 1.0740, 1.0700 marks, they can be pretty good objectives for this downside continuation on the euro dollar. And euro dollar weakness basically is, we have a dollar index here chart, so this is inverted chart, pretty much like if we compare with the euro dollar. And here we can see there is a potential for the retest on the 104.95, let's say around 105 mark. The daily we had a breakout of the multi-day consolidation on the dollar index, and so far hourly time frame is building higher lows. We had one initiation yesterday and there was a sharp reversal, but then still market is building higher lows, which is a constructive for the further growth on dollar index. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin versus US dollar. From my view, we are in this consolidation, so 73,600 key resistance and support around 62,000 mark. So far we have a consolidation inside day from yesterday, so if we see the breakout of 68,300 mark, there will be a chance for a downside movement towards the 63,000 or even 62,000 mark. So pay attention for that potential scenario. If we see the upside breakout of 71,800, there'll be a chance for a retest of 73,650 mark. Now, speaking of the gold market, we had upside movement. So market had rally yesterday. So far, market is, and we have a bank holidays. So we see here there was a tail and pin bar at 22.22 and the close above. So I would like to see how the market will react the very next day or a couple of days after this breakout. In case of the market can sustain the breakout, then the next upside objective will be around 23.11 on the short midterm scale. If we can see some kind of a down day or so, then market can go back into the consolidation area around 21.85 and 21.76. On the crude oil, we had a rejection of the 10-day rising moving average. As you can see here, market is building higher lows. We broke the key resistance around 80 mark actually a week ago, but still on the weekly time frame we had an inside week, and we had this selling tail from last week. So this will be the critical pivot level, 83.75. If the market can break this and sustain above that level, then the next objective is around 89.35 mark. If not, then there is a chance for rotation back into the 81s area. And on the NASDAQ 100, we have a consolidation last couple of days, but we can see the 10-day moving average is starting to is now in the flat environment, and we have lots of those tails in the background. So this can be the distribution that can result for the downside movement towards the potential rising 50-day moving average around 17,900 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day, have a good weekend, and speak to you from Monday next week.